SoFi Stadium, former home of Rams quarterback Jared Goff, and the new home of Matthew Stafford. Minus a couple first-round picks and a third-round pick, but they don't have Goff's salary, and they've got a 32-year-old Matthew Stafford who has a cannon for an arm, so I think he might just work out in Sean McVay's offense. What do you think? See, they have a crane out there today. They've got it attached to something. Try and take a look and see what that is. Hard to say what this little item is. Here you can kind of see it. It's got some cables attached to it. Hard to tell, but it looks like, you see there's a black wire there coming down from the roof. I think it's attached to that structure. I'm wondering if that's some kind of a has something to do with the lighting structure that they've brought down to do some kind of maintenance on. That could be my only guess. They use this crane to bring it down to ground level, work on it, and maybe raise it back up. Okay, I'm here off of Prairie, checking out to the left here the residential. Looks like it's developing a little bit further, taking shape somewhat. A lot of units here. This is just part of the parking garage. This might be an elevator shaft. See the back side of the residential. It's like it's getting taller and taller. The big window portion of the performance venue.